gosh, these are all great questions. What do we do about the social media thing? How far and how deep do I hire for? And you're right, social media is changing super fast. I've mentioned in a few different videos that a really great resource in terms of understanding what you can afford to hire out is the book Buy Back Your Time by Dan Martell. Have a look at it to understand what your actual budget even looks like in terms of outsourcing your social media. The reality is most people want to get this off their plate. They want to be as far away from the energetic pull of social media as possible. But at the same time, far too many people outsource these things way too quickly. I've hired people to help with our social media where we've gotten zero ROI, laid out $30,000 plus, and ended up with brand messaging that was totally off. You're right, there's lots of different segments to social media, and you'll probably do best to outsource small segments at a time. I would make sure that you have captivated your own essential voice. You're getting conversions from your audience with you doing it yourself first, and then look at hiring out and have them replicate your results.